You know those cold winter mornings, you're lying in bed, you're wearing your favorite pair of track pants, your thick cotton track pants, but then the realization hits you, you gotta get out of bed. You gotta put on some cold work pants, or even worse, jeans. Well, have I got the solution for you. I found the perfect pair of track pants that look like jeans. That's right, I got myself a grey pair and a normal denim colour pair. They look like jeans, but they're track pants. They're lightweight, they're made of cotton, a bit of elastine, whatever it's called, and they look like jeans. So I'm going to pop them on, show you what they look like. Okay, so these are the grey denim pair. As you can see, they look pretty good. They feel like track pants, but they look like jeans. And funnily enough, I've worn these to work paired with a shirt, but I've also worn them to work with a denim jacket like this, and I've worn them to work with a shirt as well. And no one was the wiser. So yeah, what do you guys think of these? These are size small, and I picked these up for 20 bucks from an outlet mall. I can't even post a link in the description because that's where I got them from. All you can do is Google track pants that look like jeans. So I'll show you the other pair, which are the denim color. They're extra small, so they're a bit smaller than what I would wear. So they're a bit thinner, but I'll give you a look. Okay, so these are the extra small denim color. I prefer the small size, but you can get the idea. And yeah, the brand is Factorie, which is a Cotton On brand. It's an Australian brand, but I do believe they sell online to the rest of the world, and they do have outlets around the world. So if you do feel like hunting them down, the brand is Factorie. I'll put whatever I can find in the description. But yeah, how good is that? Track pants that look like jeans. Game changer. If you're lazy like me, you like lazing around, but you have to dress up to go to work or out and about, these pants are perfect. My favorite pair of pants to date. And yeah, if you're looking for some, I highly recommend getting yourself a pair. Anyway guys, that will be the video for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next time.